This is the craziest boat ride. Ah! Yep. We're so happy to be on the land. দাঁড়া ওয়েট করো হ্যাঁ ড্যাম তো পুরা জল
Yeah.
How much?
300 baht. You see? It's wobbly.
Yeah. Checked in.
Hello everyone, welcome to our third home in Thailand. And we've been getting lucky so far because we got for a second time in Thailand, we get a free upgrade from the room we got. It's a free upgrade, so I'm really happy and excited about that. It's unbelievable. Let me show you guys our room. I love it so far, by the way. So this is the main door. We have put your luggage here and our shoes here. As you walk in, to my left is the bathroom. They have the toilet separate, which I totally love. And they also have a rainfall shower. I also love when they have their brand on their towels and everything. Yeah, you should love your brand just like that. I really like it when they have their brand in every single little thing. There's a ladder and it has the towel. Here's a wall shelf and on the other side is the full-size mirror. But I love it by the door because when you get out, you can just take a picture of your fit. All right, there's a door. Look how beautiful this is. Let's enter the bedroom. You have your coffee station in one corner and they have the spa packages here. We have a safe, more stuff for coffee, and we have a mini bar. For here we have the pool towel. So this fun fact, this room with the free upgrade, we got a pool with the room, a private pool again for the second time. Isn't that crazy? We got in and the girl was like, did you know a pool with the room? Then I was like, oh yeah, it came with the upgrade. So yeah, that's the pool towels. Here are robes. I love robes. And so many sandals. There are slippers and more slippers for the pool. This huge king bed. By the bed, we have this sofa. Maybe you can lie there and watch the TV. It's really cool. And tiny little tea table. Now for the main part, which we even didn't know that we were gonna get until we were checking in and the lady was like, even after she told us, we didn't know it comes with the pool. All right, let's look at the pool. It's not an infinity pool like our last one. The last one had an infinity pool, infinity private pool. But this is also cool. Look at that, how cute is this pool? It's like piping hot in here, so I know we're gonna love jumping in here so much. We are so excited. It's always nice to get free upgrades. It's the best thing ever.
Right, we're ready to go out to explore Ao Nang a little bit right now. And we're pretty hungry, so we're gonna go out, find something to eat. We just got a tour book for tomorrow. We got out. We're walking in to go to that long tail boat station. There are like few food places there as well. I'm gonna try to eat something there first and then let's see if we can go to the Railay bit, which is like 15 minutes boat ride from here. Look how pretty it is right here. Came to this Thai place. Seems pretty reasonable price. The mango smoothie tastes so good. So we got our food served, got the pad thai. Looks really good. We got chicken wings and then what is
Chicken
that?
tom yum.
It's the chicken tom yum.
Really good.
Let's see. Pad Thai I tasted in Bangkok. All the other place have like good Pad Thai.
But your face said something different.
No, this is just hot. Just super hot.
Was it good?
It's just super hot. But yeah, we got a mango sticky rice from a roadside place. It's to go pack, 50 baht only. Even the rice is like shiny. I can bet it's gonna taste good, the rice. So we took this taxi to come to the boat station. You go down, and then I do see a boat. I don't know, like you need to. Oh, okay. There's a stairs right here. Well, let's see if we have to walk in the water though. It seems like you gotta walk in the water to get into the boat. The boat is right there. Damn. I didn't know about this. But either way, I was gonna come. This is not fun. Fact, this is like. Oh, this bag is fine. Look at this thing. Like you gotta walk the whole thing.
Hold on.
Yeah, I wasn't.
No, which one?
I think the third one. Ah. Follow him. I wasn't prepared for this. Go, right there. No, let's just sit there. You never know what's gonna come. So I wasn't prepared for this. This is like crazy.
The tide is
The
high.
tide. But yeah, Rick's.
Trying to save the camera.
Yeah, nothing wet yet. This is a good timing to go to Railay Beach. This has to be the craziest ride. Look at the shape on the tail. Oh man, it's scary.
It's so scary.
It has to be the craziest boat ride like we took. You good? The tide is like crazy. The waves are crazy. Look at that. Like you gotta go like that. See? Yeah. Look for your sandal.
Trying to get a waterproof bag for his camera bag.
So we got dropped off right here. Gotta walk all this way. Is this the same place? Some days you have like waves and tide like this. Okay, we're almost done, so yeah, it's been an adventure. Look at the pattern on the sand. So happy to be on the land. Yeah. That was one of the riders on the same boat. Yeah, it's a scary ride. Everyone was scared on that boat.
Except the family.
Except that one family with big kids.
3 little kids.
Yeah, he was just chilling.
Enjoy the most special experience when you remember your life.